Imagine a laptop that doesn't lag, handles everything you threw at it, and looks like a beast. Now, probably you may already have guessed I am talking about a gaming laptop. But guess what? You do not even have to be a gamer to need one such machine. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why you should buy a gaming laptop. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Nigitech. And before we go further, I would like to thank all of you for your support. We already have hit that 4,000 hours mark. Only we need is 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you love tech content, stay to the point, hit that subscribe button and help Nigitech grow. Okay, so coming back to the topic, why your next laptop should be a gaming laptop even you are not a gamer. Gaming laptop means first of all more power, better build and future proofing. So let's understand all these three aspects one by one. First of all, better performance. Gaming laptops are built for extreme performance. They comes with powerful processor, higher amount of RAM and dedicated GPU. This means there is no lag in multitasking. You can also use these kind of machines for coding, video editing, as well as running machine learning models. And since these machines can handle these kind of resource hungry tasks, regular everyday use, they will be blazing fast on those kind of things. For example, running productivity apps like Word, Excel and PowerPoint, or maybe even browsing internet. The only con comes with these machines are they are not that great at battery backup. But this will be always the case, right? I mean, if you want a high performance machine, then it will surely draw relatively higher power compared to those machines which are not that high performance. Okay, so now let's talk about the second aspect of these gaming laptops, which is durability. Most of these gaming laptops, they are built like a tank. Unlike regular laptops that slow down over the time, gaming laptops are made with a better cooling systems, stronger build quality and premium keyboard. This means that they will perform normally even in case of high temperature environment. And there will be minimal cheap plastic or flexing, which means that just pure performance that you will enjoy. Now let's talk about the third aspect, which is value for money. People think gaming laptops are expensive, but here's the truth. For the same price as a high-end ultrabook, you will get way more power. A thin laptop with, let's say, Intel Core i7 and integrated graphics gonna cost you, let's say, $1,500, or in INR, I'm gonna say 1 lakh. A gaming laptop with, let's say, Core i7 with dedicated GPU and a very high refresh rate screen going to cost you almost same, which means that you're gonna get much higher value for the price you pay. So you need to think of whether you would like to go for look, feel or appeal, or you want raw performance. So think about it. Now let's talk about fourth and last aspect, which is future proofing. Gaming laptops are designed for next 5 to 7 years, I would say, when let's say you're gonna use it like a regular laptop. If you buy a regular laptop, they may be there for next 3 to 4 years and then they will start whistling like an old engine. So you need to be smart and invest your hard-earned bucks in gaming machine. Until and unless you require, let's say, 12 hours or 15 hours of battery backup. So if you edit video, do coding or work on heavy tasks, or just want a laptop that's going to last longer, then going for the gaming laptop is the smarter choice. And hey, if you are looking for some of the best gaming laptop, then check out our site instore.com, our affiliate site where we have handpicked the best laptop and PC accessories for you. Links are again in the description down below. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If so, then hit that subscribe button and help us to achieve 1,000 subscribers. And if you have got any kind of questions, doubt, feel free to ask us in comment down below and I will definitely try to answer your question as soon as possible. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.